I put my children in kohanga because there was a kohanga reo next to the Polytech. And then I went to learn Māori at the Polytech until they went to school. And then we moved north and I took it up again up there. I learnt up there because my dad was from Tekawiti and we moved to Kirikiriroa. So naturally I wanted to learn some Māori because it was all Dad's people up there, you know. So I did that for a couple of years, thoroughly enjoyed it. And that went on all the pokais 1 year and, you know, the kaikos would ask me, what'd you think of that one, Tina? And I'd go, oh, pie, but, oh, I'm going, it was so hard to listen to them and everything. But it was just the experience. And as I got on to the last few, well, it was just ordinary, you know. You knew to be quiet, you knew what was happening, and it was just all about whakarongo. They never encouraged me to speak. I would ask them what they're talking about, but they say, you sit here and listen and you learn. We were just oblivious to it. We just knew to be quiet when they were talking Māori to one another. And it was the same at all the houses. We didn't know what they were talking about, but we weren't encouraged to try and korero back to them. I was a bit sad for my dad because he never carried on with it all when he got down here. He said his whole family could korero when they were kids, but it was knocked out of them. In fact, he used to laugh at me when I started learning Māori, you know. He just used to laugh at the mokos because they'd come out with the word and he'd just laugh at the word. What's that up there? Oh, that's a wakarererangi, Papa. And a wakarererangi, he'd go, you know, he'd just take them off. But he wouldn't really shame them. It was just the way the world was. It was better to korero Pākehā than to korero Māori. In fact, my sister said, oh, here she is. Even my children today turn the marriage channel off and that, but not in my house. I say, no, I'm listening to that. You don't even know what they're talking, Mum. And I said, no, but I'm immersing myself in the reo. I said, so I can pick up things out of there. Oh, okay, they go. So and my mokos, they listen. They listen. They love coming down here. I think Granddad, Stafford, I think he wouldn't have minded if any one of us took up the reo. I remember when I started learning, I was the only one in my mother's real family that was starting to learn the reo. And now we've got a few more cousins on board now though, but because it's the thing to learn the reo now, I think. We should have been learned it before, but when you're not interested and you're not allowed to know what they're talking about, you can't learn about it, you know. I just hope Ngāti Rārua just carry on doing more so that my mokos, my next generation can learn that it'll be like it was, but everyone would be korero Māori. Yeah, I hope they go forward, really. I really love it. I like it. Must be my age. I like to try and korero. Yeah. Nothing better than to stand up there and say, and te reo for your own whānau, I think. And that, but yeah, I just plod along and keep trying. So yeah, quite happy here. Best place in the world, Wairau.